Welcome to another YouTube video series where we discuss scholarship for international students. If you are interested to study for a fully funded PhD opportunity in Italy, here is one that you can apply right now as application is currently ongoing. If this is the first time of coming across our video, do ensure you like this video, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this where we discuss scholarship in depth and their application process. If you want to start your PhD opportunities in Europe, consider applying to one of the most prestigious technical universities, which is the Politecnico di Milano University. The university has announced its 41st PhD cycle for 2025-2026 academic year, and there are about 95 PhD positions in which only 75 are fully funded. So the available position, once it is being filled up, the 16 open position will be self-funded. So I urge you to apply as early as possible if you want to stand a chance, including having a good academic performance or academic record. So you have a higher chance of being selected once you apply as early as possible. And yes, it means that there will be no tuition fee. A monthly stipend will be given during the course of your study. Why should you consider this scholarship? This scholarship is a chance for you to be mentored by world-class researchers in cutting-edge innovations. Whether you are in the field of engineering, architecture, data science, design, urban studies, or applied mathematics, no nationality is excluded from applying to this scholarship. So in this video, I'm going to show you all you need to know, and there will be a bonus part in which you are to submit your research proposal in RTF format. So watch up to the end of this video in order for you to know how to save your research proposal in an RTF format. The scholarship is currently ongoing and you can apply for this program, only that there are some selected courses that are available for you to apply. And in the sequence of this video, you are going to see these courses. Let's take a look at the scholarship details. So we have the host, Politecnico di Milano, and it is taken in Italy, while the study level is only in PhD. It is fully funded and the number of scholarship is 79. Now, moving ahead, we have the list of courses that are open for application, the total number of available places, and the number of scholarship including thematic. Now, the first on the list we have architecture, urban and interior design, which 4 are available and 3 are open for scholarship. For architecture, built environment and construction engineering, which is 12 open for scholarship out of 16. Bioengineering, 6 positions are available for scholarship. Industrial chemistry, 1. We have the preservation of the architectural heritage, 5. We have data analytics and then decision science, which is 1. We have the design, 7 positions are available for scholarship. Then physics, 2 positions. Aero engineering, 5 positions. What are the eligibility requirements? The first is that as an international student, you must have completed a master degree program in order for you to apply for a PhD program at the university. One interesting fact about this scholarship is that even if you cannot submit the document right now, there is a particular deadline date even after the official scholarship deadline that you can still submit your document. The second is you must submit all documents and prove your academic performance. Applicants who are not in possession of their master's certificates at the time of this can still apply, just like I said. Admission to Politecnico di Milano is strictly by academic performance, so this indicates that it is very, very competitive. Former PhD candidates cannot apply for this course, so they are excluded to apply for this scholarship. Let's look at the documents required for admission at the university. The first on the list is you have the curriculum vitae, CV. Then you need a detailed research project proposal, which should be in RTF format. You need the passport, the bachelor and master degree certification, English proficiency certificate. Now, when it comes to this English proficiency certificate, countries that their official language is in English, or if you have previously studied in English, you are exempted from providing English certification. The next is motivation letter. You also need 2 references or 2 letters of recommendations. Then tax code for Italian applicants only. Then how do you apply for this scholarship? But before we go to the application procedure on how to apply for this scholarship, let me refer you to the official documents so you could read all along with me and we can reassess these claims that I have mentioned on this website. I'm going to drop the link of this website in the description of this video. You can check the calls and other documents you need to access. The FAQs are there for you to also read, and then you can also check for the call. So let me click on, once I click on this link, you can also do that as well. Now you click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will refer you to this page. Here is the official document call. So we have the deadline date, which is 30th of May 2025, 2 p.m. CEST time zone. So what do we need on this call? So I'm just going to go straight to some important information you need. So this is the places just like I've read earlier on. So you can see from environmental and infrastructural engineering, the areas we have is water science and engineering. 1 open position for scholarship is available. Transport, infrastructure and geoscience, one open position is available. We have environmental and hydraulic engineering geometries, 2 positions are available. Then material engineering, we have 3 positions, and these 3 positions are available for scholarship. You can apply for this PhD program, and this number of scholarship, once it is filled up, then the remaining positions that are not available for scholarship will be self-funded, which means applicants who are not qualified or who have been exempted from the scholarship can fund themselves in the remaining positions. So what else do we need? Looking ahead, those that have not previously studied in English, just like you can see here, we have citizens of country in which English is an official language are not required to certify their knowledge of English. Similarly, applicants who have been awarded or will be awarded academic qualifications by an institute in which the courses were taught entirely in English for most of the course are not required to certify their knowledge in English. So if you have previously studied in English, or if your country official language is English, then you have been exempted. Else, you have to provide this Cambridge test or Cambridge IELTS. So you must provide this if you have not studied in English. So looking ahead, we also look at the application. But before we look at the application for admission or how to apply, let's look at the minimum average score in examination for qualifications obtained abroad. So countries that have been specified here, you must meet the minimum GPA in your previous study. That means for China, out of the maximum 100, you must meet minimum of 17 and above. Those in Ghana, out of maximum 100, you must meet 65 and above. Those in Turkey, out of maximum GPA in your previous study, you must have at least 3 and above, which is second class upper. So those in Nigeria, this is second class lower to first class. So according to the education system, you must meet the minimum required being specified here. Now, if your country is not specified here, then the selection committee will assess the qualifications submitted by the candidate. So the selection committee will determine if they are to award you a place for admission and scholarship at Politecnico di Milano University. So how do we apply for this scholarship? So to be straightforward about the application procedure, you can just come and click here or click here. So it will redirect you to the register page. But if we want to follow from the official document core, which is this, once we click on this, it will redirect you to this page, so you can change it to English language. So we have the 41st cycle core. You can just click more. Then you can click on this page. So once you click on this page, once you click on the link, it will redirect you here. Then you can scroll down, and as you can see, these are the PhD programs, just like we have seen earlier. Then you can just scroll down and click here. Once you click here, it will redirect you to the same application form. So all you need to do is to register. So this is where the work starts. You have to fill this correctly. So ensure that all the important compulsory data must be entered. Here where they indicate compulsory you must fill in the information there. So enter your email address and you click on next after filling your information. For tax code, only Italian citizens or residents can fill the tax code for, but for international students outside Italy, you don't need it. So click on next and it will redirect you to the next step. So I'm getting this error because I did not fill this information. So once you get your login details, you can still refer back to this page and log in. Let's talk about the RTF format. So this is how the RTF format will look like. We have the visual layout, page 1, followed by the page 2, which is abstract, just like the way research proposal formats are. Just ensure you follow the exact format. So if you want to save it after including all the necessary information in the research proposal, so to save it, you need to go to File, choose Save As, and choose the rich text format, which is RTF. Then export it. So if you enjoyed this video, ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this. See you in our next video.